Assalamu alaikum. Today is a very happy day in our home because our little cute doll Syeda Rameen is celebrating her second birthday. And as always, the decorating work was my job. Lots of balloons, and soon the room became full of colors. Rameen clapped her hands. We went to the shop and bought colored papers, tape, and a happy birthday banner. From the bakery, we also brought a cake and other decorating items. At home, I decorated the wall with Rameen's pictures. We hung lace from the ceiling and tied balloons below it. When Rameen saw the room, she jumped with joy. After a while, Rameen started missing Mama, so we gave her some powder to play with. She sprinkled it all around the room, and soon the whole room was filled with a lovely fragrance. Dressed in her blue outfit, looked so beautiful. Everyone said, "Mashallah, Rameen looks so cute." Everyone was smiling and happy, and Rameen's birthday turned out to be a wonderful and joyful day.